Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're a proud Subaru Outback owner, you know how important it is to keep your car looking sharp and protected. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 Subaru Outback car seat covers on the market that not only enhance your vehicle's interior but also provide durability and style. Whether you're looking for something cozy for family road trips or rugged for outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. From sleek designs to easy installation, these car seat covers will elevate your driving experience while safeguarding your seats from spills, stains, and wear. So check the link in the description below to find the perfect fit for your Subaru Outback. Number 1. OASIS Auto Forester Outback Legacy Impreza Crosstrek Accessories Seat Covers, 2010 to 2025, offer an excellent way to enhance and protect the interior of your Subaru. These custom-fit leather seat covers are designed specifically for the Subaru Outback, Legacy, Impreza, and Forester models from 2010 to 2025, ensuring a snug fit that elevates your car's aesthetic while safeguarding your original upholstery. The sleek gray color adds a modern touch, making your vehicle's interior look stylish and fresh. One of the standout features of these seat covers is the tailored design, which not only provides a custom fit but also enhances the overall look of your vehicle's interior. Installing these seat covers is straightforward, thanks to the detailed step-by-step installation video available on YouTube. Just search for OASIS Auto Universal/Tailor Fit Seat Cover installation for a clear guide that walks you through each step, ensuring a hassle-free setup. The OASIS Auto Seat Covers come with a risk-free purchase guarantee, including a 30-day money-back policy for Amazon Prime customers. This means you can shop with confidence, knowing that if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, returning the covers will be simple and hassle-free. The OASIS promise is all about transforming your vehicle's interior. These high-quality covers not only cover up faded or worn seats but also protect your original upholstery from spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear. With OASIS Auto Seat Covers, you can make your Subaru one of a kind, creating a unique and personalized driving experience that showcases your style while ensuring durability and comfort. Number 2. Lucky Man Club Subaru Seat Covers Full Set is the perfect solution for enhancing the interior of your 2014 to 2024 Subaru Forester, Outback, or Crosstrek. Designed specifically for these models, these seat covers offer a tailored fit, ensuring that every curve and contour of your vehicle's seats is covered. One of the standout features of these covers is the rear bottom cover, which comes as a single piece, providing a seamless look and eliminating any gaps that can collect dirt or spills. The front headrests are also fully covered, maintaining a sleek appearance without exposed sides. Safety and compatibility are paramount with the Lucky Man Club seat covers, as they allow for the proper deployment of airbags in an emergency and do not interfere with the use of child safety seats. Additionally, the seatbelt buckles remain fully exposed, making it incredibly convenient to fasten your seatbelt without hassle. Comfort is another key aspect, as the surface layer is made of wear-resistant faux leather that protects against spills, stains, pet hair, and harmful UV rays. The middle sponge layer adds a softness that makes each ride enjoyable, while the anti-skid bottom cloth ensures that the covers stay securely in place, gripping both fabric and leather seats tightly. These seat covers also offer a personalized touch to your vehicle's interior with a variety of colors available, allowing you to choose a style that matches your aesthetic. With a 30-day Amazon Prime money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty, you can trust in the quality and durability of the Lucky Man Club seat covers. This product is not just a protective accessory but a way to define your ride with style and comfort, making it a top choice for Subaru Outback car seat covers. Number 3. EKR Custom Fit Outback Car Seat Covers for select Subaru Outback 2015 to 2019 leather, black, are an exceptional choice for those looking to protect and upgrade their vehicle's interior. These seat covers boast a 4-layer construction that includes a soft foam padding for added comfort and a protective polyester shell that shields your seats from spills and stains. The premium leather layer not only provides a luxurious feel but also ensures high durability, great breathability, and water resistance, making it easy to wipe clean after a long drive or a family outing. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, the stitching closely mimics the factory seat style, ensuring that your car maintains its original aesthetic while benefiting from modern protection. The covers come equipped with high-quality buckles and zippers that secure them in place, preventing any shifting or movement during your drives. Tailored specifically for the Subaru Outback, these covers are engineered to fit perfectly, providing comprehensive protection against everyday wear and tear, including scratches, dirt, and spills. Installation is straightforward, designed for those who prefer a hands-on approach. However, achieving a snug fit may require some effort. Each set includes front and rear seat covers, headrest covers, and strategically placed airbag cutouts, ensuring that all safety features remain fully functional. With these covers, you won't have to compromise on safety for style. Additionally, the EKR custom-fit Outback car seat covers come with a 2-year limited warranty against defects, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, these seat covers not only enhance the look of your vehicle but also safeguard your investment, making them an ideal solution for Subaru Outback owners seeking quality and functionality in their car accessories. Number 4. Disatogo seat covers are an exceptional upgrade for Subaru Outback owners who want to elevate the look and feel of their vehicle's interior while providing top-notch protection. These covers are meticulously designed to fit Subaru Outback models from 2010 through 2025, ensuring a perfect fit that complements the car's natural design. The covers are constructed with a combination of high-quality faux leather and ice silk woven fabric, which not only looks luxurious but also offers breathability and waterproof protection. This durable material is designed to withstand daily use, keeping the seats in pristine condition over the long term. The 3D design of the waist and side wings provides enhanced comfort and support, making every drive more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority with the Disatogo seat covers, as they are fully compatible with airbag deployment and belt slots, ensuring that all safety features function correctly in an emergency. The front seat covers include 4 zippers on the headrests, allowing for easy adjustment and a tailored fit, which contributes to the cover's sleek and polished appearance. In addition to their protective qualities, these seat covers also offer practicality with large storage pockets, perfect for keeping essential items close at hand. The non-slip fabric on the bottom layer ensures that the covers stay securely in place, preventing any unwanted movement during drives. The set includes 2 front seat covers and a full rear row, making it easy to completely transform your vehicle's interior in as little as 10 to 20 minutes. The Disatogo seat covers are not only stylish but also provide comprehensive protection against spills, stains, and wear, making them an ideal choice for Subaru Outback owners who value both form and function. With their combination of durability, comfort, and ease of installation, these seat covers are a must-have accessory for anyone looking to maintain the beauty and value of their Subaru Outback. Number 5. Giant Panda customized car seat covers are a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance and protect the interior of their Subaru Outback from 2020 to 2023. Designed with precision, these seat covers offer a custom fit tailored to the exact dimensions of your vehicle's seats, ensuring a snug and glove-like installation. The material used in these covers is high-quality soft faux leather, providing a luxurious feel while being durable and resistant to wear and tear. Not only is the material comfortable to the touch, but it's also waterproof and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. These covers serve a dual purpose. They protect your original seats from stains, wear, and animal hair, while also giving your car's interior a fresh, stylish appearance. The diamond-shaped quilted design and intricate stitching add a touch of elegance, seamlessly blending with your vehicle's aesthetic. Giant Panda has thoughtfully designed these covers with user convenience in mind, featuring flaps, Velcro, sturdy buckles, and straps that ensure a tight, secure fit. This meticulous design makes the installation process straightforward and stress-free, especially when paired with the provided installation instruction video. Whether you're dealing with messy pets, kids, or just want to keep your Subaru Outback's interior in pristine condition, these seat covers are an excellent investment. The functional design accurately covers every inch of the original seats, offering complete protection while transforming the interior into a sleek, modern space. If you're looking for car seat covers that combine style, functionality, and durability, the Giant Panda customized car seat covers are the perfect solution for your Subaru Outback. In conclusion, investing in quality car seat covers for your Subaru Outback is essential for protecting your interior while adding a touch of style. Whether you prefer waterproof materials for outdoor adventures or stylish designs for everyday use, there's a perfect option for everyone. Remember to consider factors like durability, ease of installation, and maintenance when making your choice. We hope this guide has helped you find the ideal seat covers to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Share this video for more updates and helpful content on car accessories.